If you're looking for a particular survey that does not require a UK number or any ID verification, then you need to watch this video to the end. And the last one I'll be mentioning is quite different because you don't need much verification or you don't need anything at all to start up with it. So right here in this video, I'm going to be listing top 5 surveys that you can start without any verification, be it UK ID or UK number. This particular survey does not require all those. But before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across the channel for the first time, this is the voice of Joaking. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online to earn for ourselves. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. And for my returning subscribers, I say thank you and kudos to you. So what we'll be doing right now is to start up with the first survey, which is on our list, is Tap Known. Okay, this particular survey does not require a UK number or a US number, not even a verification, ID verification. You don't need that. All you just need to do is to sign up for an account and start leveraging this platform. As you can see right here, get paid by completing offers and surveys. With Tap Known platform, you can earn money from the comfort of your home. Okay, so when you come down right here, you're going to be seeing the leaderboards, my offer, earn, cash out, and the likes of others. So what you have to do is to come right here to click on sign up. Alright, to set up an account for yourself, you need an email address, put in your username and put in your password, then click on I agree to terms and conditions. So once you click that, you're going to be setting up an account for yourself. Alright, so once you come right here, what you're going to be doing is to put in your username, a verified email address, a password, and you click on this box right here. Then click on register. Then automatically you already have an account on this platform. So just make sure you're using a very strong proxy for this, okay? So you don't have issues on your account. So this is the first one you can leverage on. It is called Tap Known survey, okay? So you can leverage on that without having to put in a UK number or a UK ID. All you just need to do is to have a verified email address, set up an account for yourself and leverage on it. Now the second one on our list is one poll. You can see right here, research people read, powering online markets, research and PR surveys with global human experience. Now most of you might have heard of one poll. Right here, one poll does not require you to put in a UK number or any verification at all. All you just need is your email address to set up an account for yourself. As you can see right here, market research, connect your organization to your international market research, PR surveys and the likes of others. Now, one poll panel communicates with opinion and experience by becoming a trusted members of our UK market research. So you can come right here to set up an account for yourself. So once you click on this hamburger icon right here, you are going to be seeing a UK panel. You are going to be seeing these particular UK members. Click on that and you're going to be seeing a drop down. So what you can either do is to come down right here to click on log in or sign up. So you just come down right here and click on sign up, then follow the process to create an account for yourself. As you can see right here that they have the existing members login and not a member. So what you're going to be doing is to click on not a member, join now. The bad news about one poll is that not every time they allow new users on their platform. Now, the secret you're using to get an account right here is to make sure you're trying this when people are not fully on this platform, maybe at night or any other time which you feel people are not much on one poll. So it is advisable to always try to log into this platform or create an account for yourself when you found out that people are not much on this platform, because once you have access to this platform, you are going to be having tons of surveys. Alright, so just go ahead to create an account for yourself and have access to one pool. Not everybody have heard of panel opinion. Now this particular survey platform happens to be one of the ones I love out of what I've mentioned, because right here on this platform you are going to be having access to tons of surveys. As you can see right here, panel opinion, you can go ahead to download their app on your Apple Store or your Google Store. That is if you actually have a UK Google or Play Store account. So I wouldn't advise you to use a VPN to download this because you won't have access to surveys and your accounts can be restricted. So right here you can see discover panel opinion, where every opinion counts. Panel opinion offers a platform to share opinions and pocket extra cash effortlessly. earn money in your spare time by participating in daily online surveys covering diverse topics, joining in-person focus groups, and engaging in fun activities. So right here you can see these are the little steps you can use to get started on this platform: how to earn rewards, sign up, provide a valid email address, and receive email invitation. As you can see right here, number 2 says fill out your profile. This allows us to send you studies that matches your profile and maximize your chances of being selected. That is what I say on most of my videos, that when you create an account for yourself, it is always advisable you take your screener questions. Your first question happens to be what is going to make your account look stronger than others. So once you sign up, right here it said you need to verify your email. Since you are not being asked of a UK number or a UK ID, take this particular survey very serious, verify your email, and start taking surveys. Now, number 3 says answer online questionnaires or participate in focus groups, product tests, and much more. Get rewards. As a thank you for sharing your opinion, you will receive a reward digital cash transfer, multi-brand gift cards, and so on. So right here you can see some details you need to know about this platform. So you can give your opinion right here. These are examples of how you're going to be taking surveys. So you can see right here, have you visited a museum during the summer holidays? So these are simple ways you can answer questions. So this is just like a sample of what you'll be getting. Just pick one answer and click on confirm. So right here, what you're going to be doing is to come down to click on join us, or you can come right here to click on join us right here, or you can come right here to become a member. Okay, so members that have signed up can come here to member login to log into their account. So right here there are tons of surveys you can have on panel opinion. Panel opinion happens to be user friendly as there are less screen outs on this survey. So once you are able to attend to a lot of surveys on your account, you should know how much you are actually accumulating as a reward for yourself. Now I'm not going to be leveraging more on pure profile because this requires you to have a PayPal account before you can get started. Now, how do I update my bank PayPal details? How do I reset my password? How do I become a pure profile account holder? You can just click on this so you can get full details of it. So when you come right here, you can see where it says become a member is easy and best of all. It's completely free. Here's how to get started. Create an account by providing your country, your email, and password. You can see how straightforward it is. They didn't ask you to provide a mobile number or a virtual number. Once registered, you will receive a verification email with a link to confirm your registration. Now, this double opt-in process is designed to make sure you are exactly who you say you are. Don't forget to check your junk spam folder as message will be sent right there. So once you create an account for yourself, you start receiving surveys on your account. Now, the last one I'm going to be mentioning to us is just like a bonus. Just like I said, this is just like a bonus because one thing about QMe is that anyone can have access to QMe because you can actually have disqualification frequently on your account. As you can see, queue time productively, earn real cash with paid online surveys. Forget swag or points, withdraw your cash instantly with QMe. So you can go ahead to download this on Google Play and also on App Store. That is for those that are already in United Kingdom, or other means which you can use to download this that does not require your location to be linked out. Right here you can see earn anytime, anywhere, make some money on your commute, get some extra cash in your downtime, or earn while you study. So when you come right here, you're going to see the means of payouts, the Venmo, PayPal, and other gift cards right here. You can see that for yourself. So you can go through all this on your free time. You can see your opinion matters. There's a reason survey providers pay for completed surveys. Your opinion matters to them. By answering surveys with QMe, you can get your voice heard and influence your favorite brands. So you can just come right here and understand how it works. When you talk about the payment, you can see how do paid survey work. Get provided with online market research, surveys that best match your profile, then get a cash reward whenever you complete your surveys. Now to go ahead to set up an account for yourself. But before that, you can see surveys, cashback, deals, gaming, blogs, and research. That is why I said this is actually different from others and they are user friendly. So you're going to be coming right here to click on sign up to create an account for yourself. So right here, just go ahead to put in your email address, put in your password, then allow QMe to send you email regarding the competitions. Alright, so once you click on sign up right here, or you click on sign me up, you are going to be getting a notification. Verify your email and you're going to be having access to QMe as there is no verification or any virtual number needed to set up an account on these 5 surveys I just mentioned. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got much value from it, and if you have any questions regarding all what I said, feel free to drop them on the comment section below, and I'll be glad to give response to that. However, it's always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.